Minister of Sports Olivia Grange says, contrary to reports, the government is in talks with the Jamaica Tallawahs to support their participation in this year's staging of the Caribbean Premier League tournament set for August 21 to September 27. Minister Grange's disclosure comes days after the Tallawahs' ownership made it clear they would not be taking the Tallawahs franchise to Florida, as was reported in some quarters, but called on the government for their support. But while noting they were willing to assist, Minister Grange says the government cannot provide the over US $1.5 million requested by the Tallawahs.
The truth is that as minister, I am in discussions with the Tallawahs and hope to find a way to give some support as I stretch the little that we have. The Tallawahs need, ladies and gentlemen, in excess of $1 million each year for the next 3 years. We cannot find that.
And as for the government not supporting the Tallawahs financially in 2018, as it had done in 2015 and 2017, Minister Grange explained that this was as a result of a late request made by the Tallawahs after the national budget had been settled. She also revealed that even Prime Minister Andrew Holness has stepped in to find support for the Tallawahs' participation this summer.
I must tell you, we went as far as having the Prime Minister himself set up a meeting, arrange a meeting with the Tallawahs and a private entity in Jamaica. An entity which also has an international connection. And meetings were held, several meetings were held. And unfortunately, just maybe a couple weeks ago, the Tallawahs were told that this company is unable to assist. We're all disappointed.
Meanwhile, Minister Grange is calling on the private sector to help fill the shortfall needed by the Tallawahs to keep the franchise and their games in Jamaica.
So, Jamaica Tallawahs do well and they bring visitors to Jamaica by staging the games here and all of that. Private sector will do well also. So I think private sector here in Jamaica should come on board and give the support, partner with government, and give the support that is needed to ensure that games can be played in Jamaica.
In 2015, the Jamaican government provided financial support of US $25,000 and in 2017, US $35,000 to the Tallawahs.